Welcome back to our channel for another installation day, and today in the shop we have not one but two 992 GT3 RS that is in for our exhaust upgrade. So stay tuned to our full video coverage of these two beautiful machines that are going to receive the Akrapovic exhaust treatment. Right over here, this is brand new 992 GT3 RS that you can see it is finished off in this very beautiful PTS color. So we will talk a little bit more about the details, the specs of the car later when we have the exhaust installed. But before that, we have this beautiful Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system that is going into the car to replace the factory exhaust system. So what we are going to install basically is the catback system, and also we do have the Capristo exhaust valve controller to be installed as well, so that we can have a full control over the valves function. Because in case if you don't know, the factory control, the PSE exhaust button, it does not actually fully open the exhaust valves, and that's why we'll need to have the Capristo controller so that the valves can be turned on 100% all the time. So now before we begin the installation, let's start up the GT3 RS and do a sound check on how it sounds like with the factory exhaust system. So we have removed the factory exhaust out from the GT3 RS, and this is the catback section, the rear muffler, and we put it side by side to compare with the Akrapovic system that is going into the car later. So this Akrapovic right over here, this is the slip-on race line system. It's a catback system. With this installed, definitely you won't get any check engine light. It's a worry-free plug and play system. So for the Akrapovic system, it is made out of high-grade titanium material, and that's why this is extremely lightweight, a lot lighter compared to the factory system. Later we will put both of these systems onto the weight machine to find out what are the weight difference between both systems. So for the Akrapovic system, obviously it is completely redesigned by the team at Akrapovic in order to give the GT3 RS an aggressive, sporty, flat 6 tone. So right over here we have the Akrapovic center muffler. As you can see, it is a lot smaller compared to this factory system. Right over here, this is where we are going to transfer the factory electric valve actuator and plug back on directly to the Akrapovic system, and this is where the valves are located at. So when the valves are closed, the exhaust gas flow, obviously it flows through here, the headers, then goes into the collector, then it will flow through these smaller pipes and goes into the center muffler and exits from the tailpipes. And when the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow will flow directly through these larger diameter pipes at the bottom. Then it will goes into the muffler and comes out from the tailpipes. And of course, the main highlight will definitely be this beautiful tailpipes by Akrapovic. So The tailpipes for the GT3 and GT3 RS, of course, they are made out of high-grade titanium material. This is extremely lightweight and also it looks really beautiful. And if you take a closer look, you can see that the engineers at Akrapovic, they actually designed the inner layer of the tailpipes to be different, so it stands out of the crowd definitely. And it is a lot different compared to the factory tailpipes right over here. As you can see, the factory tailpipes, it is finished off in chrome black color, and the Akrapovic tailpipes, we have it finished in the natural titanium color. And also the tailpipes diameter, they are actually larger than the stock. So with this Akrapovic tailpipes installed, definitely the car will look a lot better, a lot more aggressive. And also with the larger diameter tailpipes, it actually fills up the gap in between the rear diffuser. And according to our weight machine, the factory rear muffler, the catback section, it weighs at 17.3 kilograms, include the tailpipes, everything. So this is massively heavy, and also the factory exhaust, it is very restricted on the sound. It mutes out a lot of sound on the GT3 RS. And now we'll put the Akrapovic slip-on raceline system onto the weight machine to find out how much lighter is this. As for the Akrapovic titanium slip-on raceline system installed with the stainless steel adapters at the side and also the titanium tailpipes, it weighs at 13.1 kilograms. And that being said, with the Akrapovic system installed, you will get around 4.2 kilograms of weight reduction over the very heavy and bulky factory system. And that's all for the product explanation part. Now we'll get back to work to install the Akrapovic titanium slip-on raceline system. What's better than having a 992 GT3 RS? And the answer is two 992 GT3 RS. So today in the shop, we have two of this beautiful 992 GT3 RS that has already been fitted with our Akrapovic exhaust system. So both of these cars, they have the exactly same exhaust setup. Also, we installed the Capristo exhaust valve controller kit for both cars, and they sound exactly the same. And now, since we have already completed the installation, so we'll start up the car, do a sound check, and listen to how does the Akrapovic exhaust sounds like on the GT3 RS. We have parked both the 992 GT3 RS side by side together in front of the shop, and it is an absolutely beautiful view to have these two cars parked together. And now we will briefly talk about the different options and the different specs of these two GT3 RS. First of all, on my right hand side, this GT3 RS is finished off in the very exclusive PTS Paint to Sample Albert Blue color. This GT3 RS also has the optional Y-Sec package. So right over here, as you can see, the magnesium wheels are finished off in this very striking pyro red color. Then behind the wheels also, it has the optional carbon ceramic brakes. The calipers are optionally painted in high gloss black color. Then to the side, the car has this pyro red accent package all the way to the rear. Then on the rear wing, it has this pyro red Y-Sec RS decals on the rear wing. And also on the rear, it has this optional clear tail lights. Then also the GT3 RS decals are finished off in pyro red as well. On the front also, the car has this optional PDLS Plus headlights, and all the Y-Sec package options total up, it costs about 170,000 in Malaysian ringgit. And moving on to this GT3 RS, so on the exterior it is finished off in the ice grey metallic color. Then also this car has the optional Y-Sec package as well. So for the wheels, it is finished off in this very beautiful indigo blue. And behind the wheels, also the car has the optional carbon ceramic brakes. The calipers are painted in yellow color. While for this ice grey metallic GT3 RS, it has the indigo blue accent package. And on the rear wing, it does not has the Y-Sec RS decals like the one on the PTS Albert Blue GT3 RS, but instead it has this standard RS logo on the rear wing. Also to the rear, it has the clear tail lights as well, same as this. While for the GT3 RS decals, it is finished off in indigo blue. And that's all for today's video. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this GT3 RS? How do they look like with the different color, different options on both of these cars? If you enjoy our content, hit the like and share button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content in the future.